Hello, everyone. As your organization grows, managing permissions individually for every user can become difficult and time-consuming. Groups in Trimlink simplify access management by allowing administrators to organize members into teams and assign permissions collectively. Instead of configuring access one user at a time, permissions can be assigned once and automatically inherited by every member within the group. To begin, navigate to Access Control from the left sidebar and click Groups and Permissions. The Groups dashboard provides a centralized location for managing team access across your organization. From this screen, administrators can create new groups, update permissions, assign members, and maintain consistent access policies for departments, teams, and clients. To create a new team, click Add New Group. Groups help organize members with similar responsibilities while ensuring permissions remain consistent across the organization. Start by entering a descriptive group name and an optional description. Clear naming conventions help administrators quickly identify the purpose of each team. Examples may include marketing team, sales department, content creators, support team, or client management. Next, select the role associated with this group. Groups are designed to manage permissions for users assigned the member role. Members added to the group will inherit the permissions configured during setup. After defining the group information, configure the permissions that group members will receive. Permissions can be granted for various platform resources, including dashboards, short links, collections, landing pages, and workspace management. This allows administrators to create specialized groups tailored to specific responsibilities. After reviewing the configuration, click Submit. The group is immediately created and becomes available for member assignments throughout the organization. Once the group has been created, members can be assigned to it. Simply search for users and select one or more members from your organization. As soon as members are assigned, they automatically inherit the permissions configured for the group. This significantly reduces administrative overhead and ensures consistent access control. After selecting the desired members, save your changes. The selected users immediately become part of the group and receive the associated permissions. As team responsibilities evolve, group configurations may need to be updated. Administrators can edit existing groups at any time by selecting the Edit option from the group's dashboard. Group names and descriptions can be modified whenever organizational requirements change. Keeping group information current helps administrators maintain a clear and organized access structure. Permissions can also be updated as team responsibilities expand or change. When permissions are modified, the updates are automatically applied to every member assigned to the group. This centralized approach ensures permission consistency across the organization without requiring individual user updates. Administrators can remove members from groups whenever necessary. Once removed, users immediately lose access that was granted exclusively through that group. This helps maintain security and ensures access remains aligned with current responsibilities. If a group is no longer required, it can be permanently removed. Before deleting a group, review assigned members and permissions to ensure no critical access is unintentionally removed. And that's how easy it is to create groups, configure permissions, assign members, and manage access in Trimlink. By using groups and centralized permission management, organizations can improve security, reduce administrative effort, and maintain consistent access policies across teams. Permission management. Visit trimlink.ai. Thanks for watching.